everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a graph in Google Sheets. You can create line, bar, and column graphs, which I will show later. But for this example, we'll create a line graph to track how values change over time to give you a clear idea of how it works. The table here shows a sample weight loss progress across several weeks. To create the line graph, click and drag to select the range of cells with data. Then, go to the menu bar at the top and click Insert. From the drop-down menu, click Chart. A default chart will appear on the sheet, and the chart editor will open on the right side of your screen. To make the chart type to a specific type of graph, in the chart editor, make sure you're in the Setup tab. Click the chart type drop-down, and here, you can select between different graph types like bar or column graphs. To create a line chart, scroll through the options and look for the icon that looks like a jagged line going upward. Once selected, the chart will update to show your data as a line connecting each week's weight. To move your graph, click anywhere on the chart and drag it to a new location. To resize it, click and drag the corners. And that's it! Your line graph is now complete. So, that is how you create a graph in Google Sheets. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.